Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. So we have three options, so we will go through them uh, simply and easy, so let's follow along. Now the first option we have is this one is the most common method to give your spreadsheet a clean blank canvas look. So you will open your Google Sheets, go to the top menu and click View and hover over Show like that and uncheck Grid Lines just like that. The faint gray lines will disappear immediately, but any borders you manually added will remain visible. Now the second option is if you want to see grid lines while you work but want a clean white paper when you print or save as PDF, is basically we will do that. So we will go to the file and then to the print, or you can just press Ctrl plus P in the right hand settings panel. Now here click on the formatting, so let's find it right here, formatting, and now uncheck the box that says show grid lines, so this one. And as you can see, it's basically now the white paper. What you are going to do now is just hit here button at the top right corner next to process to the print preview, just like that. And as you can see, now we don't see here any grid lines. All right. And yeah, then you will select here destination and so on, and then click save. Now the last option we have is basically if you only want to hide grid lines in a specific area rather than the whole sheet, highlight the range of cells you want to clear. So let's say this one here, the last one, then go to the fill color icon, the paint bucket. So this one here, fill color, as you can see here, the paint bucket, and then just select the white color. This will paint over the grid lines in that specific section while keeping them visible everywhere else. And yeah, this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.